Arithmetic sequence is one of the sequences that we are going to discuss. It is a sequence where every term after the other is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. From the given sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, find a sub n, or the nth term. The first term of the sequence is equal to 1. To get the second term, we simply add the common difference, which is 3, to the first term. So that is 1 plus 3, or 1 plus d. The third term, of course, is adding another 3 to the second term. So that will be 1 plus 3 plus 3. Or we simply say 1 plus 2d. Observe these numbers. Now for the first term, we add another common difference 3. So that is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus another 3. Or we can say it's 1 plus 3d. Again, we subtract 1 from 4 to get 3 here. Therefore, the general rule of an arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let us find the 15th term of the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11. From the given sequence, the common difference is 2. How did we get 2? We simply subtract a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So we have 7 minus 5 equals 2. By checking, we may also subtract a sub 2 from a sub 3. That is 9 minus 7 equals 2. To complete the checking for the common difference, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, that is equal to 11 minus 9, must also be equal to 2. If that's the case, there is a common difference. And from this sequence, the common difference is 2. Having the first term, which is equal to 5, and n is equal to 15. That is what we are going to look for, the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence. And since this is an arithmetic sequence, we may use the general term of an arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We simply substitute the given data to the equation. Therefore, we have a sub 15 equals 5. That is the first term, plus 15, the term we are looking for, minus 1, times 2, which is the common difference. So, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Next is to multiply 14 and 2. That's why we have 28. And from there, we add 28 to 5, which is the first term, and that is equal to 33. Therefore, the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence is 33. This time, we are going to find for the 25th term of an arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. The common difference of this arithmetic sequence is 4. How did we get that? We simply subtract 7 minus 3, that is 4. And to check, we may also subtract 11 minus 7, that is 4. 15 minus 11 is also 4. And 19 minus 15 is also 4. That's why it is called the common difference. The first term, of course, is 3. And we are looking for the 25th term. All you have to do is to substitute the given data to the equation. So the 25th term is equal to 3 plus 25 minus 1 times 4. 25 minus 1 is 24. Then multiply 24 and 4, that is 96. And then add it to 3. Therefore, the 25th term is equal to 99. Let's have this example. The second term of an arithmetic sequence is 24, and the fifth term is 3. Find the first term and the common difference. Given that the second term is 24 and the fifth term is 3, we are going to look for the first term and the common difference. We can create two different equations using the second term and the fifth term. For the second term, 24 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2, which is the number of term, minus 1 times d. For the fifth term, 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus 5, that is the number of term, minus 1 times d. From the first equation, 24 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2 minus 1, that is 1 times d. For the second equation, 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4 times d. We subtract 24 minus 3, the answer is 21. And a sub 1 minus a sub 1, we can cancel that out since that is equal to 0. And 1d minus 4d, that is equal to negative 3d. Now to eliminate negative 3 beside d, we divide both sides of the equation by negative 3. So we can cancel that out since it is equal to 1. D therefore is equal to 21 divided by negative 3, and that is equal to negative 7. Now we have solved for the value of the common difference. This time, we are going to solve for the value of a sub 1 or the first term. All you have to do is to substitute the value of d to any of these two equations. So let us use 3 equals a sub 1 plus 4d. So we substitute negative 7 to d. So we now have 3 equals a sub 1 plus 4 times negative 7. We first multiply 4 and negative 7. 4 times negative 7, we have negative 28. To eliminate negative 28, we simply add 28 to both sides of the equation. Negative 28 plus 28, we can cancel that out since that is equal to 0. 3 plus 28 is equal to 31, and that is the value of the first term. The first term, therefore, is equal to 31. And the common difference is negative 7. That's all for today. Thank you.